Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to disable caching of sensitive files using .htaccess file in WordPress. Before starting, like is my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in file manager and then you see .htaccess file. So we are going to disable caching of sensitive files like login.php, any file you want. Now right click on it and then click on edit. Now .htaccess file is open and then we are going to add code. Now paste and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see files and then you see angle bracket. Now you see wp-login.php. So you can add file name according to requirement. So you can add any sensitive file. Then you can disable cache. Now you see address set, cache control, no store, no cache, must revalidate, maximum age 0, header set. So you can add any file name here and then click on save changes. Now you see saving .htaccess file and then you see success message. So in this way you can disable caching for any sensitive file in WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.